This is the house of Jason Champion. The storm has subsided somewhat, but the water just keeps flowing, inundated the backyard. And my house at 2 Sylvan Glen, Jason's on Pleasant Street. What a mess. What a mess. The force of the water carried garbage pails, propane tanks through the yards across Pleasant Street. Garbage is strewn all over, branches, large twigs, dirt. What a mess. What a mess. Water coming over Pleasant Street onto Parkway residents. Water pouring out of the... Hi. Well, you got flooded out Yeah, you got flooded out a couple of years ago.
Yep.
Yeah.
And they said, oh, we'll build a berm for you.
No.
Yeah. I put this berm here and I put it over.
Well, you got flooded out pretty bad.
Huh?
You got a whole bunch of water there now too.
Oh, it's trash.
Yeah.
But I got sandbags out. It didn't get in the house yet. So.
Well,
But if we have another pour,
they're talking another possibility of 3 inches.
we've already had 3.
Well, they're saying 3 more from what I understand, the latest.
No.
You know, I don't know whether to believe them anymore or what.
Well, the thing is, see, they don't... This is what he's...
You should see it up behind Sylvan Glen. It's so bad. On 12 Sylvan Glen, it's all full. They don't bother to clean it.
No.
The lady that lives there, she said, Ed, I called the town. They're not interested.
No, they're not. And every year we beg them to clean the darn streets, and they never do.
Okay. This is a mess, though. And you got a hold of Jason, but he's out of town and he's coming back. And look at that water. I'm just gonna get this one.
Here's the drain right here.
Yeah. Yep.
So it's just a tinge up. It is about right across
Yeah.
there, but up a bit.
And it's clogged, or can't.
Well, I pulled the stuff out. It's just backing up. Can't handle it. So.
Jesus, that's.
Oh.
Yeah, look at your back. Jesus.
Oh, it's receding now. You should have seen it. You should have seen someone's garbage can.
Yeah.
Down.
Did you see that?
We put it in his thing.
I saw that. It was coming down my neighbor's backyard, through my backyard, and they came all the way across the street with the force.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going crazy, but yeah, I totally took out my whole thing.
What a mess. What a mess. Well,
If it just goes straight down his driveway,
yeah.
it clears my yard. But I need
But
to
it
build another berm, and what they need is to redo the piping.
Well, that's what they're supposed to do up there. They told the judge, well, we need to find out who the owner is up there. They know who the owner is, but they're just...
Every year they lollygag around, and every year it's thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of damage.
Do you know how much they must have paid in attorney's fees so far just to defend, saying we're not going to pay you? I can't begin to... And insurance companies, I don't know why the board of directors don't go after these attorneys to say, hey, listen, but the problem is with the town, they tell the insurance company if they want to settle or not. And I don't think that's fair. Oh, what a mess, what a mess. Jason is, I don't know, I thought it would be pretty good when Jason left that we wouldn't have a problem. But after this last storm here, I said I knew it was going to be a problem. And these cars come, oh look at that, one guy right through the stop sign, didn't care.
Well, I'm there bending over like this, cleaning that out, and this
Jackass, yeah.
Yeah, this woman